Nagpur is a fast emerging educational hub in central India. Nagpur has the best literacy rate of around 93.13% with a total population of around 25 lakhs. The central government has recently announced opening up of major institutions in the city like All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS, then Indian Institute of Information Technology IIIT and National Law University.
Although Nagpur is such a good educational hub, but still having professional education is dream for many. Around 40% of the population still lives in the slum area. They cannot afford their family needs and imparting professional education to their kids.
The answer to this unaffordability of education will be scholarships, as it will make a difference in such a way that the economically backward section of the society will be encouraged to get itself educated in the same manner as the economically stronger section of the society does.
To overcome this, I think the first task is to create the awareness of going for higher education. The second task will be to make them aware about different scholarships which are available or which can be provided, so that they can go for higher education, opt for higher education without having any financial constraints.
In order to help them overcome these problems as a CSR activity and to pay back to the society, Raisoni Group have come forward with various scholarships named GH Raisoni Scholarship, Sadabai Raisoni Scholarship for the needy students.
The 50 scholarships will be offering with the name of GH Raisoni for 50 male students or boys, and the second scholarship which we are offering is Sadabai Raisoni Scholarship for the 50 girls. Total 100 scholarships for each one with the 10,000, making it 10 lakh worth rupees towards CSR activity. To help these needy students to get in, and to get them aware about the various scholarship platforms, Skolpin is a platform which has been established by the students who understand the students' requirement, who understand the students' needs, and for the students they have designed a wonderful platform wherein the one who needs the scholarship and one who offers the scholarship can be well connected.
Our vision is to bring scholarship providers and scholarship seekers under a common umbrella so that each and every student has equal right and opportunity to apply for a scholarship and fund their education.